Good morning. This is Open Source Software and Hardware DET 3107 Elective 1 Course Outcomes to have an introductory knowledge of concept of open and free software and hardware, introduction of the Arduino hardware, Raspberry Pi, Internet of the Things IoT. To get an in-depth knowledge of Arduino software IDE, simple programs, interfacing of basic hardware modules with Arduino. To acquire a knowledge of interfacing and programming of Arduino for ADC, DC motor, servo motor, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi-Fi and PWM programming to understand the details regarding LaTeX software with its installation, programming, processing, software facilities useful for various document preparation. To understand the details regarding the Scilab software with its installation, programming, processing, console, editor, graphics window, software facilities useful for various technical calculations. To study KiCad as an electronic computer-aided design ECAD tool for designing circuit schematic, electric rule checking, netlist generation, mapping components and designing PCB. Hope you have completed this 4.1 practical yesterday's assignment which is given on the Google Classroom. What task is to do here is writing a code to produce the following table. So we have to write the code to produce this table. So we have to count number of columns and we have to check their alignments, whether it is left alignment or right alignment. So first is the left alignment, next two are right alignments, and we have to check whether we require the horizontal line or column line. Accordingly we can give the commands. Okay, so in this case practical two examples are there and we have to write the code, okay, and upload it. And we have discussed how to write in the previous lecture. Let us continue with the LaTeX software package, and we can have the figures also we can include into our documents. Normally the document requires the figures. Figures are very useful and important part of the documents because all the types of the documents are requiring essentially the figures, graphs. So these are very essential parts, components into the documents. So figures needs to be used in the document. So this describes how to insert image into your LaTeX document, which requires the graphics package to using the image or to using the figure to inserting the image into LaTeX document. We require graphics package. Okay, we have to include this package and then we can use the facilities regarding the figures or images. Images should be PDF image, PNG image, JPEG image or GIF image files. Okay, PDF, PNG, JPEG or GIF file should be there. Image should be in these forms. Then we can use this to include into the document which we are coding, writing, programming into LaTeX package. So we can use the figure in the LaTeX document provided image should be in PDF, PNG, JPEG and GIF file formats. So one example code is there given which helps to understand how to insert an image called name of the image, my image. Suppose this is the name of the image file. My image is the name of the image file. Okay, my image is name of the image file, MYIMAGE. This MYIMAGE file may be in the PDF or PNG or JPEG or GIF. So code will be backslash begin curly bracket figure curly bracket complete and H in square bracket, the figure handle. Okay. So alignment of the figure, centering, backslash centering, backslash include graphics, width equal to 1, backslash text width, and the name of the figure is my image, curly bracket my. Backslash caption, we can give the caption to the figure. The caption is very important, which is given to the figure. Table figure caption is required, table name is also required, table title or table heading, which helps the uh, readability of the document, presentation of the document improved. The improved presentation is achieved by giving the caption. So backslash caption here is my image. So you can give the caption. It is a sentence which describes about the image. You can give the name of the image, you can give the details in the image, you can give some technical information regarding the image, etc. Whatever the caption required, you can give. Then we can label that backslash label curly bracket image dash my image. My image is the file name. And then backslash end figure. Okay, backslash end figure. So begin figure and end figure are there. Begin figure, end figure. In begin figure, H is there, which is the handle or placement specifier. Placement specifier. Okay. Now one by one we can check what are these. So square bracket H is the placement specifier. Okay. So this is the square bracket H, which is in the backslash begin figure square bracket H. It is placement specifier. H means put the figure approximately here. So whatever the document, whatever the command is there before this begin figure, so at that location, wherever that command is having the location, next to that location, the begin figure is there, where that position in the document, location in the document is the placement specifier indicating. So H is figure approximately is put here. If it will fit, the figure will have the properties, columns and rows. So its dimension is there, figure is having its own dimension, and if figure fits there, it will be placed at the specifier. H means the figure is approximately placed at that location. So it is called specifier, placement specifier. Figure placement specifier. The other options are T. In case of if you are not using here approximately figure approximately here, if not used figure approximately here, it is not used, then figure approximately at the top of the page instead of H in the square bracket, in place of H in the square bracket, we can put T, small t. We remove small h and we keep right small t. What it will give? It will suggest or generate the output such that figure is at the top of the page. T is top of the page. Similarly, B is the bottom of the page. If you give remove H and remove T and we can use B there in the square bracket, it gives at the bottom of the page, and P is the on separate page. So there will be page break, and on next page the P figure will be placed. Okay. So in square bracket we can give the directions for placing the figure. Okay. So placement specifier may be H, figure approximately here, put the figure approximately here. T, put the figure approximately at the top of the page. B, put the figure approximately at the bottom of the page. And P, put the figure on separate page. You can also add exclamatory mark which overrides the rule LaTeX uses for choosing where to put the figure and makes it more likely it will put it where you want, even if it doesn't look so good. But according to our requirement of the document, at that location, figure will be placed. Backslash centering centers the image on the page. If it is not used, the images are left aligned by default. By default, if it is not given, images will be left aligned. But if it is given right aligned or centering, it will be placed accordingly. It's a good idea to use this as the figure captions are centered. Figure captions are centered, so figure will be look good for alignment of centering. If the caption is centered, figure also should be center or center aligned, isn't it? So it will both will match. The figure and its caption will match each other. Will not have the displacement in their placement. Okay. So generally we will keep the centering backslash centering command. It will center the image because caption is centered. Then include graphics curly bracket is there. Include graphics curly bracket in which before curly bracket there is a square bracket width equal to 1 text width, and in curly bracket the figure name is there. Include graphics is the command that actually prints that actually puts the image in your document. Include graphics is the command that actually puts the image in your document. The image file should be saved in the same folder as that of the .txt file. Wherever the .txt file is saved, on which we are working and in which we have to put the image, the same folder, the image is also to be saved. So directory must be saved. And square bracket width equal to 1 backslash text width is the optional command that specifies the width of the picture. In this case, the same width as a text. The width could also be given in centimeters. Okay, cm. It also could be possible to use square bracket scale equal to 0.5, which scales the image by desired factor. It scales by some factor. In this case, reduced by half. Scale is 0.5, then image is reduced by half. Whatever the dimensions of image is there, that is reduced by half. So original image is reduced by half the size. And if you go scale equal to 2, original image will be stretched. Okay, twice. So it is made double in size. Okay. So scale is also important to provide the size of the image. Either it will be reduced, kept the same, or it will be increased. So this is about the page, sorry, it is about the image placement. One is required the location where it is to be placed. So H is the placement specifier. H means put the figure approximately here. Instead of H, if T is used, then put the image approximately at the top of the page. Then if B is used, then put the figure approximately at the bottom of the page. And P on the separate page for the figure. Okay. These are the placement specifiers. Exclamatory mark can be also added to override the rules of LaTeX used for choosing whether to put the figure, make more likely it will put wherever you want. Whatever the requirement of the document is there, accordingly it can be pasted. Backslash centering is centering the image of the page. If not used, images are left aligned by default. It's good idea to use, by default it is left aligned, but it is good idea for the figures to use the figure as centered, because captions of the figure are also centered. So to match the placement of figure and caption of the figure, both must be centered. And as by default the figure captions are centered, we have to keep the figure also at the center. Okay. Then include graphics is actually placing the figure into the file, and we can scale also. Width, backslash text width, we can optional command we can give. We can scale also. You can give in the centimeter. You can scale as a 0.5. It half the figure size. You can give the 1.5. It makes 1.5 times 2. It will double the figure size, and so on. So this is regarding the figure. Backslash caption. You can give the caption here. Defines the caption for the figure. If this is used in LaTeX, we'll add the figure and a number before the caption. There is a figure and the figure number, isn't it? Always before the caption. Okay. So backslash caption curly bracket defines the caption for the figure, and it is used, LaTeX will add the figure and the number before the caption. If you use the captions, you can use the list of figure also, backslash list of figures, and you can generate the list of figure which will include the figure number and figure number and the caption. Actually it is list of caption, and it will also give the page number where the figure is placed. If you use the captions, you can use the list of figures. Instruction backslash list of figure backslash listofigures backslash list of figure. So where the list of figure is used, just like index, in index before first chapter the index is there. In index we are putting all the chapter titles and points, section headings, etc. together, and we are giving the page number on which they are appearing. This is index. Okay. So after index, we can have the list of figures as well as list of tables, isn't it? Appendices, list of appendices. appendix at the end of bibliography. So at the end of or after the content or index of the document, we can have the list of figures, list of tables also. And this list of figures can be automatically created with the help of backslash listoffiGURES, this command. Backslash list of figure creates the table of figures. In similar way, the table of content. Okay, table of content is there. Similarly, the table of figure also can be there. It is automatically generating it. So LaTeX software is helpful such that this code LaTeX program will manage, generate many things automatically. So lot of task, lot of manual work is saved. It is avoided. So list of figures will generate the list of the figures at the generally it is at the content page or after content page. Okay. Then backslash label is also there. Creates the label to allow you a refer the table in or figure in your text. Okay. We can give backslash label and we can label the figure captions or figure, and we can put the references, and if you click that reference we can go to that particular figure. Generally it is put or referred in the table of figures. So list of figures will create a table of figures. It will create a table of figures. List of figures backslash list of figures is a command which creates the table of figures, and in table of figures we are having the captions, and we can generate the reference hyperloop. We can generate the label, and we can have the reference. Okay. Hypertext or hyperlink, we can call it as hyperlink. Okay, we can generate the hyperlink. So in that hyperlink, if you click that hyperlink, it will automatically take us in the document wherever the reference is there. We can have the label, click that hyperlink, and we can go to the referred figure. So automatically by clicking we can go into referred figure. So table of content is table of figure is there, and that table of figure, if you click on the name of the figure, automatically on that page it will take us. So it will become fast and easier to understand, to learn, to read the document. And document soft copy is becoming very sophisticated, very automatic. Just clicking we can go or move through a document, and we can have exactly wherever the referred number figure or figure number or figure is there, at that location directly we can go, and that will help for saving time, and that will help the work, and that will help to very much improve the reading quality of the document. Okay, so this is about figures, details of the figure. Okay, what are there in the figure? We have to include the graphics package in the LaTeX, and figure must be placed in the same folder as that of the TX file, and the figure must be in either of one form, either it will be PDF or PNG or JPEG or GIF files. Okay, and placed in the same folder where TX is there. And we can if suppose image is having any name, image name, my image, etc., then we can have the start of the use of this figure by backslash begin figure and h. H is the space specifier. Okay, place specifier. Placement specifier is there. Where to place? H is here. That means wherever the cursor is there. Then T is the top of page, B is the bottom of page, P is the separate page, and so on. Excellent remark to override the rules of the latex, and backslash centering is the centering the image. Generally centering is used because caption is centered. So both figure and caption are centered. Then include graphics is there. Include graphics, curly bracket. It will have the function of actually putting the image. Then there will be width equal to 1 and backslash text width is there. This is optional command. We can scale also the document in the figure in the document. If scale is 0.5, it is figure is reduced by half. If scale is 1, figure is as it is. If scale is 2, figure will be doubled. Scale may be 1.5, 2.5. It will be 2.5 times. It will be 1.5 times. If it is 2 doubles. Okay. So figure may be doubled. In this way, we can scale. You can have any factor. Then we can have the caption command. Caption curly bracket for the figure. Okay. That caption command will generate figure and figure number automatically, and it puts the caption in front of the figure and figure number. Figure word is there, then figure number may be there, say 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and caption will be placed after that. You can use the caption for list of figures also. To create the list of figure table, we can use these captions so that wherever anybody wants to refer that, directly can click the hyperlink and go to that figure. So list of figure will be there, that is table of the figure, and label will be there just to refer the figure, isn't it? Label refers the figure. Just like the label referring the word, we can have the label referring the figure also, caption. So it is very much facilitating to read with ease. It makes the reading more easier. Okay. What are the tasks? Add package, use package, graphics in the preamble of the document before begin document command. Okay. The next task is image is saved in the same folder. Okay, where the text file is there. And what is the next action? Type the following text at the point where you want your image to be inserted into the document. So this is the backslash begin figure for inserting the figure image, backslash begin figure, square bracket h exclamatory mark. So h is placement specifier. It specifies here wherever the code is there, at that location image is placed. Here h means here. You can use h, you can use T, top of the page, you can use the bottom, B, you can use the P, next page. Okay. So here means at that location, and the exclamatory mark is overruling the rule, latex. Then there is backslash centering is there. Generally backslash centering can be more useful because caption is centered, so figure is also must be centered, center aligned. Then backslash include graphics will be there in the square bracket width 1, text width is there, image file is there. Image file you can give the name of the file. You can give the name of the file here. Whatever name of the file is there in the which is stored into the same folder, saved into the same folder, that image file name is given here. Okay. Then backslash caption is there. Backslash caption, here you can give the name of the caption. Caption means it is describing the figure. Suppose some antenna figure is there, Yagi Uda antenna, you can write Yagi Uda antenna. Or more, you can write 3 element Yagi Uda antenna, folded dipole Yagi Uda antenna. Or if you are using some making some document for suppose about Arduino details. So this, and you are inserting the figure of Arduino board. So you can write this is Arduino board as a caption. So whatever the figure is there, figure is of Arduino board, and you are writing what? Caption, this is Arduino board or only Arduino board. So it is describing the figure. Whatever the figure or image is there, it is telling about it. Caption must be telling about it, more information about it. So you can give the caption. Here my test image is given, you can give whatever the relevant caption. And then end figure is there. So begin figure and end figure are there. In this way, we can have a practical of image. We can use the package graphics, we can copy and save the image in the same folder, and we can have this text for image adding into the document. Replace the image file name with the name of your image file. Image file name is replaced with the file which we are using to save that image. Maybe JPEG or maybe GIF or maybe PDF. Isn't it? In those form you can save the image. So image file with the name of your image file excluding the file extension. The file extension is not there. It is excluded. If there are any spaces in the file name, enclose it in the quotation mark. For example, screen space 20. Okay, this is the file name. Then we have to include it into the double quotation mark. Okay, file name is screen space 20. So if there is any space between the names of the file of image, then or video image, sorry, image only, image we are inserting, then that space to be accommodated within that name. That's why we have to give that name with the quotation marks. Okay, double quotation marks. So if continuous file name is there, all the letters are continuous, no quotation is required. But if there is a space in between, quotation must be given. And action, what is action then? This arrow indicates what to do. What is the action? Okay. So action is click on typeset, click on the typeset button and check the PDF. Okay. What we are doing, we are clicking on the typeset button. It will compile the program and it will generate the document in the PDF form and save it in the same folder as that of the TX file. You can click the PDF file and you can check whether it is at actual whatever we have coded. Sometimes it is automatically generated, automatically launched. Okay. So Clicking the typeset will compile the code and generate the PDF. So this is all about the practical of the image. Okay. So inserting the equation, you can enter the math mode with the opening and closing the dollar sign. If you use the dollar sign, then math mode will be entered. That means math mode will be start, and whatever the text is there after the dollar, it will be uh, put in the equation form. So this can be used to write the mathematical symbols within the sentence. For example, typing dollar plus 1 equal to dollar 1 plus 2 equal to 3 dollar. That is opening dollar and closing dollar is there. So this will produce the equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If you want a displayed equation its own line, use dollar dollar equation dollar dollar double dollar. For example, dollar dollar 1 plus 2 plus equal to 3 dollar dollar. It will produce a own equation on separate line. So on separate line, if you require the numbered equation, then for number displayed equations, use the backslash begin equation, backslash end equation, and in between the equation. For example, backslash begin equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3, backslash end equation. So begin equation, end equation is used, then that will create the equation on new line, and it will give equation number. And this 6.1, the 6 will be only available if we are using chapter. 6 is chapter number and 1 is equation number in that chapter. So 6.1. Otherwise, if the document is not having chapter, that 6.16 is not there and only one number will be there. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number of the equation numbers. If chapter is there, then the equation numbers will be chapter number dot equation number 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. In 7 chapter 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 and so on. In first chapter, chapter number 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.2, etc. So the number 6 refers to chapter number, and this will only appear if you are using document class with chapters such as report. Isn't it? Use a begin equinary and end equinary. We can use backslash begin equinary, begin equation, end equation, just like that. Begin equinary, end equinary. To write the equation arrays, equation array, equan array, EQNARRAY, equation array. Equation is written in short form, EQN equation, and array, equinary. Okay, equation array. Okay, so begin equation array and equation array is used for writing the equation array for the series of equations. Series of equation or inequalities. It may be equation or inequality. For example, begin equinary, begin curly bracket equinary, backslash begin curly bracket equinary. Then one equation is A ampersand equal to ampersand B plus C, new line, double backslash, ampersand equal to ampersand Y minus Z, end equinary. So this will produce A plus equal to B plus C equal to Y minus Z, and it will generate the equation number as 6.2. 6 is chapter number, 2 is equation number. Similarly, 6.3. 6 is chapter number, 3 is the equation number. Okay. So equinary can be also possible. Okay. The numbered equations add the star symbol after equation, or equinary command, that is use equation star or equinary star. Okay. For numbered equations, add star symbol after equation or equinary. So equation star or equinary star. If we use the begin equation star, begin equinary star, then it will generate numbered equation. We have to add star. Begin equation, begin equinary, end equation, end equinary, and so. Okay, in the command. ठीक है ना? So this is about the equations. Then after equations, okay, we have seen details about the equations, inserting the equations. We have seen the details about the figures, inserting the figures. Okay, how to insert the figures? Figure are important requirement of the documents. Figures, charts, photographs, images you can insert. They must be in the PDF, PNG and JPEG. We have to use the graphics package, and then we can insert the image. Suppose image name may be my image, so that image we have to save into the image into the uh, folder, image folder, which where the text.txt is there, and image must be PDF, PNG, JPEG. And we have to write this code backslash begin figure h is the placement specifier. H may be replaced with T, B, P, isn't it? For top of the page, bottom of the page, or new page. Exclamatory mark will be added for overriding the latex rules. Then there will be backslash centering. Generally, if it is not given centering, by default it will consider back left sided, left alignment. Centering is backslash centering is there. It is center aligned because the caption is center aligned. We have to use this backslash centering for the figure so that figure and caption will match its placement. Then include graphics will be there where the image is included. Width 1 type backslash text width and my image. Image name is there. My image is image name. Then caption is there. Whatever you want to write, we can write the caption. Then the label is there. Image, my image, and end figure. So label of the image is there. Then we can refer that image in the list of images, isn't it? So H and T and B and P are placement specifier. Centering is the good option because caption is centered, so figure is centered. Include graphics actually puts the image. Width 1 text width is optional command that specifies the width. Also scale 0.5 scale to scale 1.5, that will either increase the dimension of the image or decrease the dimension of the image. It is the desired factor. And then caption, backslash caption defines the caption for the figure. If this is used, latex will add a figure. Backslash caption is used, latex will add a figure and a figure number before the caption. If you use the caption, okay. If you use the list of figures to create the table of figures in the similar way as the table of content, you can have the list of figure also. Then backslash label creates the label to allow you refer the table in the figure. Table or figure in the text. And practical we have discussed. We have to add the use package graphics in the preamble before the backslash begin document command. We have to find the image and save a copy of image into the latest folder where the tx file is there. Then type the following text command following the program if you want to use the image in the document at that location. And commands may be backslash begin figure, and the placement specifier and exclamatory mark in the square bracket, then backslash centering, aligning the figure into the document center aligned. Backslash include graphics will have the actual inclusion of the figure, and it is having the optional details of command of in the square bracket width equal to 1 backslash text width, and image file name is there curly bracket whatever the file name, backslash caption my test image, where we can give caption. If we use the backslash caption, it can automatically tag the caption, add the caption with figure and figure number. Later, the word figure, and its number. Suppose 6.1, figure 6.1, and whatever caption, my test caption, and then end figure. Okay. This is about the figure. Then replace image file name with the name of your file name, image file, whatever. If the file name is continuous letter, we can directly write as a file name. But if it is having the space in between, then we have to double quote it. Suppose screen space 20 is there, the double quoting, double quote screen 20 will be there. And final action is what? Click on typeset button and check the PDF. Click on typeset button and check the PDF. Okay. So then equations are there. One of the main reason for writing the document in the LaTeX is because it is really good at typesetting equations. Equations are written in math mode. Equations are written in math mode. Okay. Equations are written in math mode. Mathematics mode is there, math mode. How to write the equation in the math mode? We have to enclose the equation in dollar sign on opening and closing, both sides, equation start and equation end. That will enter into math mode. So we can enter the math mode with opening and closing dollar sign. This can be used to write the mathematical symbol within the sentence. For example, $1 plus 2 equal to $3 produces 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If you want to display the equation on its own line, a separate line equation, then example will be $, 1 plus 2 equal to $3 or $1 plus 2 equal to $3. It will produce 1 plus 2 in displayed in the own line. If you want to number the displayed equation, then we can use the begin equation, end equation, that automatically are numbers. Begin equation 1 plus 2 equal to 3, end equation that will produce 1 plus 2 3, and its number is also there. If we are using the chapters, we have defined the chapters, it will take the chapter dot figure number, chapter number dot figure number. 6.1, 6 is chapter, 1 is figure number. And if it is not having chapter, it will not take the chapter, it will take only figure number. If you want equation array, we can have the begin equation array /8 equation array. So equation array will include more than one equations. So begin equation array, eqn array, and end eqn array. In between there are equations. A ampersand equal to ampersand B plus C double backslash ampersand equal to ampersand Y minus Z. So that will produce the output A plus B equal to C Y minus Z, and number 6.2, 6.3. The numbered equation, we have to add the star symbol after the equation or equinary command. So like this, the curly bracket equation star or curly bracket equation array, eqn array star. Okay. So in this way, equations can be written. How to write the symbols? Although some basic mathematical symbols, plus, minus, equal, exclamatory, backslash, round brackets, round bracket opening, round bracket closing, and square bracket opening, square bracket closing, colon can be accessed directly from the keyboard. Most must be inserted using command. With the command or directly from keyboard, you can use symbols. So mathematics chapter is there in that LaTeX Wikibook is there. So these tutorial on mathematical symbol, mathematical equations are there. So that is discussing in detail. So here mathematical symbol command which we have to learn more. We can go into that literature for that reading that literature. Okay. So in this, suppose power and indices are to be mentioned. In the mathematical symbols, power and indices are to be mentioned. The hat or cap symbol is there. Power are inserted using hat or cap symbol. Okay. For example, dollar yen hat to dollar will produce yen square. Yen cap to will produce yen square. So this is for power we can use. Okay. So in actual output it will generate n square, and in code or program what we are writing is dollar n hat to dollar. So that dollar n hat to dollar will generate mention or take into math mode. Okay. So in math mode, n hat dollar is n square. Okay. In plain text, n hat dollar is n hat dollar. Indices are inserted using the underscore. If you want to use the indices, that can be inserted using underscore. For example, dollar $2 underscore a dollar, that will produce 2 subscript a, 2 indices a. Index of the 2 is a. If the power or index includes more than one character, now n square one character is there, 2a one character is there, then more than one character is there, then group them using curly brackets. Simple. We have to group the many characters using curly bracket. For example, dollar $b underscore curly bracket a minus 2 curly bracket complete dollar. So this curly bracket includes b a minus 2. So this a minus 2 complete is used as a indices because it is after underscore. So b a minus 2. So this is about powers and indices. For details, we can go for Wikibook. Okay. So this is about powers and indices. So next is fraction. Fractions are inserted using \frac numerator denominator. So frac is the command, numerator is the numerator in the curly bracket, denominator is denominator in the curly bracket. So if you want to write a by b, so we have to write frac curly bracket a curly bracket complete, then next curly bracket b curly bracket complete. That will produce output like this, a by b. Okay, so this is regarding, or this is for fractions. So these are the examples for frac or fractions. Simple. So double dollar \frac curly bracket a curly bracket complete curly bracket 3 curly bracket complete double dollar. Double dollar indicates or gives a new line for the equation. Equation is written on its own line. So double dollar is in taking the text into math mode, and backslash frac is using the command for fraction, and first curly bracket is for numerator, there is a, second curly bracket is for denominator, there is 3, so a by 3. Fractions can be nested also. Fractions can be nested. Suppose there is a numerator and there is a denominator, and in denominator also there is a fraction. So fraction can be nested also. In denominator also there is a fraction. In denominator also there is one more numerator and denominator. So this can be written as, first enter into math mode, double dollar S, special new line for new equation, double dollar backslash frac fraction, first curly bracket y, so numerator is y, denominator, in denominator there is also one more fraction, backslash frac 3 for this fraction, 3 is the numerator, x is the denominator, plus b, so this is total denominator for this first fraction. So 3 by x plus b, 3 by x plus b is the denominator. So we can use nested frac. So one fraction is nested into next fraction. So it is called nested fraction. Nested fraction. Okay. Fraction can be nested. Y divided by 3 by x plus b. Similarly, we can go for the roots. Square root symbol are inserted using backslash sqrt, and whatever the square root is there, that can be written into curly bracket. Okay, square root, or nth root also can be possible. Okay, so in sqrt curly bracket dot 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 curly bracket complete, where dot 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 is replaced by the square root content. Square root content. If the magnitude is required, it can be added using optional square bracket. Magnitude. Nth root if you want. Third root, fourth root, xth root. Isn't it? Square root is 2 times 2 root. Twice root. Isn't it? But third root is there, fourth root is there, xth root is there. You can add extra additional square root, square bracket. So dollar enter into the math mode, backslash sqrt. Backslash sqrt is the command for the square root, curly bracket, square root content, y hat 2, that means y square. Because it is in the math mode, y hat 2 is considered as y square. Curly bracket complete, double dollar. So double dollar is taking into the new line math mode, backslash sqrt is the square root, in that content is y cap 2, y hat 2, that is y square, and dollar is completed the mathematical expression. Similarly, magnitude also can be given in the separate square bracket, x is given here, double dollar, that means the math mode is entered, backslash sqrt, so there will be square root, x is a magnitude, so you can write here the magnitude x, okay, x times root is taken. If x is 4, fourth root is taken, x is 5, fifth root is taken, and then magnitude in square bracket, and then in curly bracket the content of the square root. Y hat 2, so there will be y square. There will be y square. Dollar dollar. That will produce xth root of y square. Xth root of y square. So these are very simple things, isn't it? These are very simple. Equation writing is very simple.